Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This baby right here is Canon Pixma TR4651. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multi-task, 4-in-1 if you like. In the sense you can copy, scan, print and fax from this gear. This is automatic document feeder printing gear. Basically you can connect it via Wi-Fi network and USB cable connection. So basically it's dual band, and this printer is using ink cartridges 546 color and 545 black. Basically what we're going to do is to show you, give you an overview of this printer, then we load the ink cartridge or we store the ink cartridges. Basically with this printer, like I mentioned, is dual band, is mobile device printing, ADF, automatic document feeder, fax, two-sided printing gear, hybrid ink, can print 8.8 print per minute for black and 4.4 print per minute for color. Borderless photo printing gear. You can connect it using Canon Inject Selfie app. Okay, right now giving you an overview from the back here. The power cable, 3-pin power cable, is included in the packaging. Okay, power cable is included in the packaging. I want to mention this is the USB cable. I'm afraid it's not included in the packaging. Bear in mind that this printer, you can connect it via USB cable or Wi-Fi network. But these days, they expect you to connect this printer via Wi-Fi network, which I'm also going to show you on this the tutorial. So this USB cable goes in here, and this flat section goes to the back of your PC, and once you stick into the back of your PC, it will recognize this printer for you to print, copy and scan. Okay, but if you connect it for Wi-Fi with Wi-Fi, you don't need the USB cable. And this cable is for telephone line or fax line. It's included in the packaging and it goes right here. If you have any paper jam, I do get a lot of questions, people asking about paper jam. Okay, so you can actually check this compartment here. Sometimes a lot of people don't know that this exists, so you open up this section, check for any paper jam and debris, and gently remove it. There is a spring on top of it. You just need to press it together and go back inside, okay, to close it. If you want to open it up, hold the spring together and open. Okay, so this is how to open this compartment. Very nice and dope stuff. This is the automatic document feeder. Okay, this is the automatic document feeder. Here is the LCD screen. I'm going to turn this print around. Okay, here is the scanner, flat bell scanner. Okay, you can see, stick your documents, ID card, whatever you want to copy or scan, stick it on top of the scanner and select the function from the right here. So, and it will do the job. Okay, and switch off this printer on and off from right here. This button, if there's any warning light here highlighting, it means something is not quite correct at the moment. So if you open up right here, the ink cartridges holder will come right in the middle for you to change the ink. It does this automatically. Okay, so I'm going to close it right now for it. Now this section, this is the paper tray. Okay, front paper tray. You load particular paper you want, A4, 4x6, various sizes of paper, 8.5, right in here. Okay, and adjust it by this blow holder. You just need to adjust it. So stick the document you want, paper you want, okay, and just need to adjust it so that this printer will recognize it. Okay, depending on particular paper you are using. Okay, right now, so what we want to do is basically, if you look at it here, it's asking us to install the ink cartridges. Open the cover. So basically what we want to do is just open the cover like I said. Now we want to load the ink. And here is the ink. Okay. And to load the ink, what you need to do is just gently press down. Okay, press down together. Okay, so you press it down this is the ink cartridge, so they just press it down. Okay, so it make room for you to go in with the particular ink you are using. From the printer right here, you can see there's the color explanatory. Okay, so the color goes to the left and black goes to the right. Okay, so you see majority of the printer will have this sticker right here for you to see. Okay, and follow the pattern. Okay, so now what we want to do is, first of all, let's load the color. Here we go. Just need to pull, okay, and you go in to the colored one. Okay, once it's in, just make sure you press it upwards. Okay, make sure it's inside the holder, and do the same thing to the black. Okay, and what you need to do is just pull off. Okay, and once you pull off, you just need to go in. Okay, and once it's in, you hear a click sound. Once you push it upwards, you hear a click sound, and use your hand to check, make sure it's not falling off, that everything is intact and is holding it together. Then the next thing you need to do is just gently close this cover. Okay, once you close this cover, just give this printer time for it to recognize the ink that is loaded. So right now this ink is getting ready, just going through the whole system. Okay, so right now it's telling us it's adjusting first use, about 1 minute remaining. Okay, now it's asking us, I'm going to show you, it's asking us, okay, do you want to automatically adjust this when there's a fireware is available on your printer? So if there's any fireware, it's asking us, okay, this is the question it's asking, do you want to update automatic? Okay, so you just need to use this arrow to select yes. Okay, instead of if you say no, then that means you need to update it. So but I encourage you to select yes and press OK. Okay, now it's asking us setup is complete, press OK. You can see setup is complete. Okay, now it's asking us to connect to computer or smartphone right now, so we need to connect this printer to connect to smartphone to continue with setup. Okay, so right now this is how to load the ink cartridges for this printer. This is beautiful stuff, nice and dope stuff, very economical and affordable, and it does the job. Okay, for businesses, student work, university work, and for home use. This printer, it deserves your attention. Okay, you can see how we loaded this, the ink cartridges. Is very compact, it doesn't take a lot of space, it's built with your space in mind. Thank you very much indeed. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Share and subscribe. Thank you.